I chose to study both a Master of Architecture and Bachelor of Design and Architecture at UTS because I'm passionate about creating sustainable, innovative and functional spaces that drive lasting, meaningful change. Studying at UTS while immersed in the heart of Sydney provided daily exposure to a vibrant urban environment, rich in culture and direct industry connections. One of the most memorable moments was early in my first semester when a tutor's passion completely transformed my perspective on architecture. Their energy inspired me to see design not just as creating buildings, but as a powerful tool for driving meaningful systemic change. My time at UTS fundamentally shaped my perspective on my future career by teaching me that adaptability is essential to navigating complex design challenges. I would highly recommend the UTS Bachelor of Design and Architecture and Master of Architecture to anyone who values a rigorous blend of concept, critique, and creativity.
Studying a Bachelor of Architecture and Master of Architecture at UTS helped me to get my first industry job. It also provided me with a good portfolio of work to use for the future. I believe that the best way to study architecture is a mix of technical understanding and excellent visual communication to convey your ideas and experience of the real world with industry partners. My time at UTS definitely helped me build these skills to help me land my first role in the industry after graduating. Overall, studying at UTS is an enjoyable experience that becomes unforgettable if you take on everything that's on offer.
I am a registered architect in New South Wales with over 5 years experience in the architecture sector. My decision to study at UTS was influenced by their distinctive approach compared to other universities. From innovative educational models to unique opportunities such as international travel studios and fostering a strong, supportive architecture community that encourages growth, individuality and excellence. During my architectural degree, having my work showcased at end-of-year exhibitions and presented at the New South Wales Student Architecture Awards opened doors to connect with industry partners and collaborate closely with tutors in their own practices. UTS is a leader in architectural education with a forward-thinking approach that challenges conventional ideas. My experience at UTS instilled in me empathy, focus, and a deep drive to create architecture that makes a meaningful impact through design.